Namaskar. Hello and welcome to Cosmic Abundance Hub. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 things which you need to do to protect yourself from coronavirus. Yes, it is possible to save yourself and not become a victim of this deadly virus, killing thousands and thousands of people around the world. Let's see what are the 3 ways. The number 1 thing which you need to consider is stop panicking. The more and more you're gonna panic around, the more and more you're gonna create fear in your mind, and that fear is gonna create stress in your body. Ultimately, you'll be releasing more of stress hormones, which are gonna disbalance your body psychology and weaken your immune system. Yes, you are creating disease yourself psychologically. You remember that diseases are psychosomatic in nature. They are first created in the mind and then they flow into the body. And when we are creating panic and fear and start living in fear on a day-to-day basis, 24 hours for several days, we are reducing the capacity of our immune system by weakening our nervous system. So I want you to stop panicking and start focusing on how you can protect yourself from this deadly disease. Second, as WHO has already mentioned, we need to constantly maintain a good high hygiene standard. It is by washing our hands, it could be by taking baths regularly, it could be by flushing out your sinuses and cleaning your nose and mouth region properly throughout the day, so that any contamination in your nose area or the mouth area or the hands is avoided completely because you're keeping a high hygiene standard. Next, the third thing which I want you to understand is basically related to the first 2. By reducing the fear and by keeping high hygiene standards, you are helping your body in strengthening your immune system. Yes, friends, immune system is the most important thing here. Understand that we are surrounded by 300,000 viruses, that is 3 lakhs of viruses in our environment at any given point of time. And out of which only a few hundred have been really given a name by our scientists. You need to understand that your body is capable of dealing with all sorts of viruses. Okay? Remember that not everyone is going to die in this case. Only 1 or 2% of the population, which is already affected by other diseases and are suffering and have reduced immunity power to fight with any kind of bacteria and viruses, are ultimately dying because of this disease. That is why the statistics so far have already shown that it is a disease for the elderly who have a weaker body, a weaker immune system, and a weaker mind somehow. If you focus on developing your immune system, strengthening it by improving your lifestyle habits, you can completely protect yourself from this deadly disease and not be bothered about it anymore. So let's see what are the ways in which you can protect yourself and strengthen your immune system. I'll be sharing in my next video shortly with you.